Hello, what's up YouTube? I'm bringing you a quick tutorial, this time on how you can use sound effects for your videos and where to find them. Generally, sound effects make your videos more appealing to the audience and it gives your video a more cinematic touch. Let's jump right into Adobe Premiere Pro CC. To mention, this will work with any other editing software. Okay, so here I have a short sequence from my latest cinematic travel video. You can find it here. This is already the final edit, so I won't go further into the edit itself. I only show you how to apply these sound effects. As you can see right now, we don't have any sound effects beneath the clips, except for the clip where I filmed myself while walking. I recorded the footsteps with the internal camera mic and used it for this short sequence. Okay, we move over to the internet. The first advice I will give you, you can search on YouTube to get some free sound effects for your personal videos. Right here we have, or I found some really sweet swoosh sound effects for video transitions. So to get these, all you have to do is mark the URL, copy it and go to any YouTube to MP3 converter. So the next one is freesound.org. Here you will find all sorts of ambient sound effects. Just type in the search bar what you're looking for and you will find dozens of stuff that you can use. Just click on the one you need and simply download it. Just remember, they have a limitation for what videos you can use them. Mostly they are restricted to non-commercial usage. So for your commercial project, I recommend you to use an audio library, just like Audio Jungle. There you also get all sorts of sounds and music. By the way, I will link the site in the video description. Okay, let's go back to Adobe Premiere Pro CC. For my project, I already found the sounds that I need and what I want to use. So my first clip starts with a slow motion shot of my girlfriend standing in a snowy environment. And to dramatize this, I want to use a strong wind effect. Just that the in and out points for your audio file and drag it into your timeline. Okay, so I want the wind to also cover the shot with my footsteps, so I extend the audio clip and drag it all the way up to the beginning of the next clip. Okay, to make it fit the environment, I don't want it to be too loud, so I just decrease the volume on this clip a little bit. Okay, now let's have a look at this specific transition where we also have a location swap. Now we're in a jungle environment, but first of all let's put a swoop sound effect to cover the transition. So I put the in and out points and also drag it into my timeline. Okay, also make some adjustments with the volume. So far so good. As I mentioned, it is a jungle, so for this I want to use a birdy, windy sound effect for the ambient. Let's have a look at the last clip. For this one, I want a really dramatic sound effect to skip into my title. For this, I already found a clip that fits really good, but I don't really know what this sound is called. Let's do the same as with the other clips. Okay, for this, timing and positioning is key. So we play around with it unless it fits how we want it to be. To make the final adjustments, we can also stretch some of the swoosh sounds with the stretch tool. Just press R on your keyboard to bring it up. Okay, very good. Now just put everything in a decent volume, so one effect is not too dominant. And this is really key, because if you don't match the volume of each sound effect, the whole video will begin to sound cocky. Okay, perfect. For this one we are done. So let's have a look how it sounds as a whole. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you liked it, so subscribe to my channel and see you next time.